Student, see this sum for the calculation of interest on drawings. Sum number 27. XYZ are partners sharing profit and losses equally, and X due regularly 10,000 in the beginning of every month for 6 months ended, that is 30th September. So how will calculate the interest on drawings for X, for partner X? See, he withdraw 10,000. He withdraw 10,000. The period is now for 6 months. So his total drawings will be 60,000. So the total drawings is 60,000, and the rate of interest also it's mentioned, it's 5%. So therefore this is the total drawings amount. You can say this is the drawings amount. Now how will you calculate the interest on drawings? So therefore the interest on drawings will be 60,000 into, there is a 5% rate, just given 5%, and we should know that the beginning of every month for 6 month period, the interest is calculated for 3.5 months. 3.5 by 12. The answer will be, say, 6,000, 60,000. The 5% will be 3,000 divided by 12 into 3.5. Look, it is 875. So it is 875. So now the question, how will find the 3.5? Student, I will give a proper chart. You have to learn this method. For the beginning of the year, it will be 3.5 months for 6 months period. Now the next case is 10,000 end of every month. So if it is 10,000 of every month, same concept, the Y also draw 10,000 for 6, that is 60,000. So the 60,000, so the interest will be, interest on drawings should be 60,000 divided by 60,000. It will be better 5 point. And if it end of the year, then the rule is 2.5 months. 2.5 by 12. So how much it is? That is 625. And the third, Z also draw 10,000 for 6 months, that is 60,000. But his drawings, see, the Z is draw middle of every year, every month. Middle of every month for a 6 months period. So for middle of the 6 month period, the interest on drawings should be 60,000 in for 5%, for middle is 3 months. So it will be 5% divided by 12 into 3. So it is 750. The answer is 750.